Hello beautiful people, this is Ghazal Luthra, your mindset makeover coach, and I help people to take quantum leap in their life. Many people ask me that when we are doing manifestation, then what are those things that we must take care of? Because people tend to easily lose out on the faith and they think that maybe this system is not working. But trust me, manifestation is a pure science which works well for everybody every time if you do it correctly. Today I'm going to reveal those top 3 unusual signs that you might experience when you are going for a manifestation. Now first understand what is manifestation and why does that happen. Manifestation is something which you don't have in life and you are truly desiring to get that, and that is how you are planning to attract that thing in your life. You are manifesting that, right? And there are certain laws that are operating behind the manifestation process to make this happen. So that's a separate thing. We can talk about it in some other video, but today I am going to reveal those 3 unusual signs that are a true sure shot sign that manifestation is working. So are you guys interested? Fantastic. Now the first sign is, if you are in the right way of manifesting, in the right direction of manifesting, then the first sign is that your life will become absolutely chaotic. Yes, you heard me right. It is going to be completely chaotic. You are not going to experience anything, pleasant or smooth operations happening around. You might experience your life is becoming very, very chaotic. Things are not working the way you want. Maybe some people will leave, some people would come. There you would have relationship problem. You might have financial problems, and all these things are going to might make you little overwhelmed or little doubtful about the entire thing. And most of the people, what do? They tend to stop manifesting because this is just too much for them to handle. And that is why I'm giving you this sign. This is the first sign that your life will become completely chaotic. Hang on, because you are on the right track, right? So learn to handle, make your mindset strong that if this is happening or this is going to happen, how to handle that, right? Now, the number 2 unusual sign that you are going to face or you're going to experience is that others would start getting what you want. Yes, you heard it right. Others would start getting what you want. So if you are someone who wants to attract or manifest a lot of money, then you will see that others are quickly getting it, and your friend is going to call you and say, you know what, I've got this big contract, you know what, I've got this money, you know what, I have got new assignments or whatever, but money will start flowing in people's life, but not in yours. That is the second unusual sign that I'm talking about, that manifestation is going to happen in your life. What is a point of caution here? The point of caution here is that please don't get jealous, right? Do not feel overwhelmed. Do not feel jealous that, oh my God, he's got it. Now look at him, even he has got it, but why the hell I can't get it? Everything is happening, and this sign is coming. This sign is coming to give you an assurance that if it can work for them, it is going to work for you as well. So keep the faith, and it is happening. This is a second unusual sign that you might experience when you are in the process of manifesting things. All right. And now the third unusual manifestation sign is that people will start leaving your life. There might be some people who will start leaving. There could be some good friends, or there might be some relatives, some acquaintances whom you know since long, but all of a sudden you will realize that they are disappearing from your life. They are totally disappearing from your life. And here I want to again give you a wow moment, that is a word of wisdom moment. And that wow moment is that be very, very grateful and thankful to these people. Do not ever think that, oh my God, why am I losing this person? Why is this person drifting from my life? This is how the things are supposed to be. all right, because you are shifting to a new vibration. You are going to connect to the new frequency where these people might not be required in your life, and you will get connected to new people in your life who are going to support you and guide you through your mission or the things that you want to manifest in life, right? So this is the third unusual sign. Do not fret, do not feel that why these people are leaving. Don't try to hold them. If somebody is going, if this is the way it is happening, just give this pure energy to them and thank them in your mind, in your heart, that thank you so much for being there with me, but now if you are getting released from my life, you may please do so. I give you the permission to go. So this is the third unusual sign. I'm certain this video is going to help if you are in a process of manifestation. It is going to give you a lot of hope and certainty that continue in your journey. Manifestation is about to happen soon. Take care, God bless you, and do write to me in the comments that if you find this successful, is it really happening with you, or have you ever experienced this? Also share it with a lot of people, because there are some people, rather I would say maximum people, who don't know about it and they somehow lose the hope and they stop the journey of manifestation. So this video might help them to continue with the same faith and manifest whatever they want in life. God bless you and see you again soon. Bye-bye.